drives it deep left field. Incredible! The Diamondbacks win it! Are you watching Milwaukee? Did you just see that?
On a 1-0 pitch, she swings away, hits a high drive to right. Freeman off-hander to win it! And that ball is belted! Right center field, Adley Rutschman sends us home with a walk-off homer! It hasn't happened at Fenway Park for 95 years. The Red Sox are world champions. Here's the 0-1. This is going to be a tough play. The Cubs win the World Series. Makes the play. It's over. With Konerko up, and he rips one into left. Konerko, grand slam.
Yes, he rips it. Is it high enough? It's going to be gone. Adam Dunn has done it again. Big number 44 can take all day to run the bases here. That's done and gone. Look out, Dunner. They're waiting for you at home.
Ninth to pitch. Santana with a high drive. Deep left center field. It is gone.
Fly ball, deep right field. Did Rymel do it? He did. Rockies have won it. Rymel Tapia has walked off the Phils.
Driven in the air toward left field. That ball is deep. That ball is way back. And it's a game winner. He walked him off. Grand slam home run. Rajay Davis.
Two again. Inside corner. The Royals, 2015 World Champions.
Down and in.
Driven into right center field. Erstad says he has it. The Angels, world champions.
Ball game.
Max Muncy swings at the first pitch, unloads down the line, over the grand slam. Only needed one. He'll take them all.
Big lead at first.
Baker, left field, deep, ball game. He walks off. Jeff Baker, and the fish come roaring back to take down the first place Nationals.
He's going to the All-Star game in style. Brewers won it 6-5.
To Gaetti for the first time ever, the Minnesota Twins.
The 0-1. That one's real deep to left field. Going back, Diaz looking up. See ya! A walk-off three-run home run for Judge. And the Yankees win it. The Yankees go from no hit to no way is this happening again. A dramatic.
The Angels. Swung on, fly ball, deep right field. They've done it again.
Pitch. High fly ball to center field. It's hit pretty well toward the wall. They're going crazy. The Pirates have won this game. And an incredible game. You can raise the Jolly Roger and call it maybe the best.
Machado to deep left and deep and far into the San Diego night. And look at it! Three-run home run for Manny Machado. Padres win it 7-4 in spectacular fashion.
High drive in the center field. Davis on the move.
One pitch on the way to Edgar Martinez. Swung on and lined down the left field line for a base hit. Here comes Joy. Here is Junior to third base. They're going to wave him in. The throw to the plate will be late. The Mariners are going to play for the American League Championship. I don't believe it. It just continues. My. Edgar Martinez with a double. Ripped out.
Hits it in the air to center. We will see you tomorrow
Hey, a high fly ball. Does he have it out? All the way back. And that baby is gone. Unbelievable. Joy
beautiful new ballpark. Ryan Zimmerman